Hi, today we are going to talk about Vasant Navaratri, which is the first day of the Indian calendar, which is called Samvatsar. This day we are in the month of Chaitra of Vikrami Samvat year. According to Hindu tradition, God Brahma created the universe on this day. This is also the first day of the festival Spring Navratri, the festival of 9 days or night. This festival falls in March or the first half of April. According to the Gregorian calendar, in 2021, the Indian New Year falls on 13th April. Navratri is a significant Hindu festival of India celebrated with much joy, enthusiasm, and fervor for 9 days. People who observe a fast on each of these days don't eat any cereal or non vegetarian food and don't consume alcohol. During each of these days, Hindus pray one incarnation or demonstration of Durga. Shailputri Puja. The first day of Navratri is dedicated to the mother Shailputri. Being the daughter of the mountain Himalayas, she is called Shailputri. This form of the mother is very calm, gentle, and impressive. She is depicted riding a bull and holding a trident and a lotus blossom. The lotus represents purity and devotion, while the prongs on the trident represent the past, present, and future. Brahmacharini Puja. Second day is dedicated to Mother Brahmacharini. As is the mother's name, Brahmacharini means the one who follows devout austerity. She holds Akshamala or a rosary in her right hand, representing the special Hindu prayers recited in her honor, and a kamandal or water utensil in her left hand, symbolizing marital bliss. Chandraghanta. On the third day, the Chandraghanta form of the mother is worshipped. It is believed that all the tyrannical or demons are afraid of the sound of the bell of Ma Chandraghanta. This form of Ma Durga, holding the bell-shaped crescent on the head, is the ultimate form of welfare and peace. Kushmanda. The fourth demonstration of the goddess Durga is Kushmanda, which means creator of the universe, as she brought light to the dark universe. She holds in her 8 hands many weapons, a rosary, and a nectar urn. Her vehicle is a lion, which is the symbol of strength. Skand Mata. Fifth day is dedicated to Skand Mata, the mother of Lord Kartikeya. She holds the infant Skanda in her right upper arm and a lotus in her right hand. She fulfills all the wishes, especially a child, to the ladies who want to become a mother. Katyayani. On the sixth day, Mother Katyayani is worshipped. She is also known as Mahishasuramardiनी. By worshipping Katyayani, girls get a worthy groom. People acquire all the pleasures of this material world. She is represented with wild hair and 18 arms and rides a lion. Kalratri. On the seventh day, the Kalratri form of the goddess is worshipped. She is also known as Shubhamkari, or the one who does good. She removes all fears from the life of the faithful. Her body is black like a completely dark night. She shoots flame from her mouth and her necklace resembles lightning. Mahagauri. The eighth demonstration of the goddess Durga is known as Mahagauri, which means extremely white. Also known as Parvati, she became the wife of God Shiva. Many people stop their fast on this day after worshipping and feeding girls. Mahagauri is completely white in color. She wears white clothes and white ornaments. Her vehicle is a bull. Her 2 hands are in Abhay Mudra, or gesture of reassurance and safety. In the third hand, she holds a damru or a tambourine, and in the fourth hand, she holds a trident. Siddhidatri. Siddhidatri is the final form of Durga, celebrated on the final night of Navratri. Her name means giver of supernatural power. Hindus believe she bestows blessings upon all deities and devotees of the faith. Siddhidatri grants wisdom and insight to all the deities who worship her. Like some of Durga's other manifestations, Siddhidatri also rides a lion. She has 4 arms and carries a trident, a spinning disc called a Sudarshana Chakra, a conch shell, and a lotus. The conch, called a Shankh, represents longevity, while the spinning disc symbolizes the soul or infiniteness of time. This is also the day like the 8th day when many people end their fast of 9 days after worshipping and feeding girls. The last day happens to be the birth date of God or King Rama, also called Ramanavami. In Western India, in the state of Maharashtra, the first day of the new year is celebrated as Gudi Padwa. Gudi means the flag of victory, while Padwa means festival. They organize many processions on this day. Many sweet dishes are prepared at home, for example, Shrikhand, Puran Poli, or sweet rice. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka, the new year is called Ugadi or Yugadi, means beginning of the universe. On this day, people make colorful patterns on the floor called Mugulu and make mango leaf decorations on doors which are called Torana. All of these days are considered highly auspicious days which are good for any prosperous beginning, be it the day of the wedding, beginning a journey, or buying a new home, or entering it for the first time to live it. Traditionally, Hindus look for an auspicious day for all new important beginnings in life. How did you find this video, or do you have any other questions? Please write in the comments below. Thank you.